More than a dozen people from Franklin County, including former local officials and members of law enforcement, are facing charges of conspiracy and illegally running a multi-million-dollar marijuana operation in Farmington. Some of the people involved had preliminary hearings in federal court today. News Center Maine's Carly Dion joins us now with the latest on that case. Carly.
Cindy, with so many defendants and some with more than one attorney, some of them from out of state, today's proceedings were all conducted over Zoom. Each defendant today pleaded not guilty to all charges in a very complicated case. The operation first exposed in July of last year. State police and federal agents raiding Narrow Gauge Botanicals, a marijuana growing business in Farmington. Court documents later revealed the company was growing primarily to sell out of state. Lucas Soroy of Farmington is the alleged mastermind of the operation, enlisting the help of others on his way to earning nearly $13 million in more than 6 years. The feds say Soroy hired David Burgess, at the time a selectman in Rangeley, to be a manager at Narrow Gauge Botanicals. Elisa Soroy of Kingfield is the estranged wife of Lucas. She is charged with 3 counts for engaging in illegal drug trafficking, along with Robert Soroy of Farmington, who is Lucas's father and worked as a custodian at the facility. And Ryan Nezel of Farmington was also involved in trafficking drugs and concealing illegal activities. According to the complaint, Brandon Dagnies allegedly helped Lucas Soroy move $1 million worth of marijuana to be distributed out of state. Also before the judge Thursday, Kenneth Allen, Lucas Soroy's tax preparer, who faces 2 counts, including filing false income tax returns for Soroy. Prosecutors also uncovered an intelligence operation Soroy set up. In exchange for information about any investigation, prosecutors claim former Franklin County Sheriff Deputy Bradley Scoville was given part ownership of the marijuana business and a company car. Derek Doucette connected to the operation in the same way, and also a former Franklin County Sheriff Deputy. The 2 deputies allegedly got information from former Franklin County Assistant District Attorney Kayla Alves, who is the only one not yet indicted in this case. Information also provided by Kevin LeMay, a Wilton police officer, and James McLam, who was an Oxford County Deputy Sheriff and was Dixfield's town manager. Being heard in federal court, one of Soroy's lawyers saying the root of the issue in this case isn't just about the discrepancies between state and federal marijuana laws.
Really, it's going to come down to, were they stepping outside of the law? Were individual employees stepping outside of the law without the supervisor's knowledge? And those that committed the crimes are really the only ones that they gave immunity to, so that they could try and go after the people that were running the business.
Jury selection for the trial is scheduled for January 4th, but that date is expected to be pushed back due to a significant amount of discovery presented by the prosecution this week that defense attorneys want more time to review. Chris and Cindy?
All right, Carly, thanks very much.